Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Maytag washer that's not spinning. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So there's a few things that you need to do here to probably fix this issue. So first things first, that you need to do is you need to basically check the load balance. An unbalanced load can prevent your washer from spinning properly. So you need to do the following steps to ensure that your load is balanced. So first is you need to distribute the items evenly. So make sure items are spread out evenly in the drum. Now combine large items with smaller items to balance the load. Now set a lower spin speed for bulky items to prevent imbalance. Also remove any tangles from clothes before adding them to the drum. Wash fabrics of similar weights together. Now, in this case, you also need to reset the washer. So if your washer has experienced a power surge or error code, resetting it might solve the issue. So first, you need to unplug the washer, disconnect it from the power source, and wait for 3 minutes. If unplugging doesn't work, press the power or cancel button, select a new cycle, and press start or pause. Now run a test cycle to check if all functions are working. Next you want to do is you want to inspect the drive belt. So a damaged drive belt can prevent the drum from spinning. Now, first unplug or disconnect it from the power source. Remove the back panel to reach the belt. Inspect the belt for any damages and replace it if needed. Ensure the new belt is properly tensioned. Now put the washer back together and run a test cycle. Next you want to do is you want to check the lid switch. A faulty lid switch can stop your washer from spinning when the lid is open. So unplug the washer, disconnect it from a power source, find it under the washer lid, remove and disconnect the broken switch, then install the new one. Put the washer back together and run a test cycle. And finally, you need to examine the motor coupling. A broken motor coupling can affect the connection between the transmission and the motor. So again, disconnect the washer from the power source, remove the back panel to reach the coupling, remove the motor, replace the broken coupling, and reassemble the washer. Now from then on, test the washer to ensure it's working properly. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.